Welcome to Auto Express Review, your destination for the latest, boldest, and most thrilling updates from the automotive world. Let's dive into the stunning resurrection of an American legend, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Panhead, a bike that bridges raw nostalgia with modern-day muscle. The Harley-Davidson Panhead is not just a motorcycle, it's a piece of American heritage. First introduced in 1948, the Panhead engine became synonymous with chopper culture, rebellion, and the open road. For decades, it remained a symbol of freedom and individuality. And now, in 2025, Harley-Davidson brings it roaring back. Not as a mere tribute, but as a full-blown mechanical renaissance. This isn't just retro styling slapped onto a modern frame. It's the soul of the Panhead reborn for the riders of today. At first glance, the new Panhead stuns with its vintage-inspired design. You get the unmistakable teardrop fuel tank, minimalist fenders, and the iconic finned rocker boxes that made the original Panhead so recognizable. But look closer, and you'll realize this machine isn't stuck in the past. Underneath its old-school charm lies a modern Milwaukee 8 117 V-twin, retuned and redesigned to echo the classic Panhead silhouette. With cutting-edge cooling, fuel injection, and ride-by-wire tech, this beast pumps out a thunderous 115-plus horsepower, more than enough to own the open road. And yes, it sounds like heaven. That deep, soul-shaking exhaust note, pure Harley thunder. Unlike some retro bikes that look great in garages, but disappoint on highways, the 2025 Panhead is built to be ridden hard. It comes with a lightweight but rigid steel frame, enhanced cornering clearance, ABS, traction control, and an all-new adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts to road conditions. You also get rider modes, cruise control, keyless ignition, and a fully digital dash that blends into the old-school layout. Tech meets tradition in the smoothest way possible. Even better, the new Panhead supports Harley's Ride Command System with turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth, and ride stats right at your fingertips. Harley didn't just build this bike for the masses. The Panhead is a nod to the purists, the long-haul freedom seekers, and those bold enough to ride a piece of history every single day. With its low-slung seat, ape-hanger handlebars, and aggressive rake angle, this bike screams personality. And if you're into customization, Harley's genuine accessories catalog is already filled with bolt-on upgrades to turn your Panhead into a true one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Now, heritage doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Panhead starts around $26,999, depending on trim and finish. That places it squarely in the premium cruiser category. But for a bike that carries the weight of legacy and the thrill of innovation, it might just be worth every penny. Limited production models with special paint jobs and serialized badging are already stirring interest among collectors and hardcore enthusiasts. At Auto Express Review, we've seen many throwbacks and special editions over the years, but very few deliver both heritage and performance with such balance. The 2025 Panhead is a celebration, a resurrection, and a revolution all in one. It's not just for showrooms, it's for riders who dream with their throttle wide open. Harley-Davidson hasn't just brought back the past, they've reignited it with modern fire. Harley-Davidson has quietly hinted at a limited edition Panhead bobber version, rumored to drop by the end of 2025. With solo seating, stripped-down design, and even more attitude, it could be the wildest Harley yet. So, stay tuned because as soon as it's confirmed, Auto Express Review will bring you an exclusive first look. Until then, ride safe, ride free, and keep the Panhead dream alive. Like, share, subscribe. This is Auto Express Review. See you in the next video.